Alright, so welcome back to our channel, my trader friends. In this video, we will be having our discussion regarding the len function of the Python programming tutorial. So this will be just a very quick video discussion since this is just a very simple function of our Python programming. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our len list function tutorial. Okay, so determining list length. So basically, we can determine how many items inside a list by using the len function of the Python programming. And the syntax is actually we just need to type len, small letters, lowercase, and inside the parentheses is just the list variable name. So basically, this len function of the Python stands for length, or this is actually almost the same as the count function if you are familiar with the count function of the Microsoft Excel. And that's it. So let's have our task. For our task, we should determine how many items are there inside the technical indicators and technical indicators slice list. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our coding with len function of Python programming. You can now open your Anaconda and open your Jupyter notebook, and let's start coding. Okay, we're currently here on our Jupyter notebook, and you are seeing right now our last coding regarding the list slicing. So if you don't know what list slicing is, please watch our previous video upload regarding this topic. Okay, so anyway, let's have our next title here. So len function, small cap, len function. Okay, and let's make it marked down before running. Okay, so for the len function, we should actually, based on our task, we should identify how many items are there inside our technical indicators and technical indicators underscore slice list. So basically, for the technical indicators, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, MACD, 8, parabolic SAR, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, money flow index, 14 pivot points. So basically, if we will going to type len here, then inside the parenthesis is technical indicators. We should have answer, which is 14, since we have manually counted the items inside the technical indicators, which is 14, based on this previous result on our previous video regarding list slicing. Okay, so answer must be 14. So let's have our comment here. Okay, so let's run this, and that's it, we are correct. So meaning to say, again, I will repeat, len function counts how many items are there inside a list. For example, we are currently having 1,000 or 2,000 items inside the list, and it is actually very tedious on our part if we will going to count the items inside the list one by one. That's why we have this len function. Okay, so for the second list, let's have this copy paste. Technical indicators underscore slice. So basically, the technical indicator underscore sliced list is having, it has only 1, 2, 3 stochastic, standard deviation, and Fibonacci. So meaning to say, answer must be 3. It only have 3 items. So answer, sorry for the typo error, answer must be 3. Okay, so let's now run this technical indicator slice len. So run again. For the run, shift enter for the Windows user, and for the Mac users here, shift return. And okay, so that's basically how the len function works. And I hope you learned something from this very short video tutorial, my friends. And as always, keep safe. This is the Engineer Trader, your partner from learning to earning. May your trades be great. Bye-bye.